Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the auto dimming mirror fuse is located, if the auto dimming mirrors do not work, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that fuse, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the auto dimming mirror fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape here. This, guys, is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, but it will work for both since it's the same generation. We have up to 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today we're working just one that's on the passenger side. Open the door. If you look, guys, on the passenger side under the dash, look upside down. On the bottom of the glove box you have one soft carpet liner, attaches with 2 black turning knobs. Unscrew them, remove that fuzzy liner, and you'll find a main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The auto dimming mirror fuse, where you can expect to find it. Next to every fuse in the top right corner, guys, you have a fuse number that indicates which fuse you're looking at, which makes it super convenient to find the one that you need. The auto dimming mirror fuse, guys, okay, if the auto dimming mirror does not work, always check that fuse. It's a 5 amp fuse, and we're talking in this fuse number 62 right here. That's the one that you will, guys, need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.